Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to enable Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find accessibility features. Here let's tap on accessibility again, and on the very first position we've got the screen reader, so let's tap on it. In order to customize this mode before turning it on, then simply tap on more settings, and here we've got a lot of options to customize. For example, we can decide if we want to feel the vibration feedback, or we can custom gestures, so we can decide what we want to do after swiping up, then left, right, or down. It's up to you. Now let's get back, and in order to turn on the screen reader, simply tap on the switcher here. Now your device is telling you what the screen reader needs to, so it needs to observe your actions, retrieve window content, turn on explore by touch, observe text that you type, control display magnification, perform gestures and fingerprint gestures. So let's click on OK if you agree. And now you can hear that the screen reader is on. Now let me show you how to navigate with this mode on. In order to get back, for example using this back button, we have to tap on it. You'll see a green frame and then double tap. And as you can see, we just got back to accessibility settings. So this is the best step to show you how to swipe. We have to use two fingers to do that. This way or this way. But in my opinion, the first option is much easier. Now let me show you how to turn off the screen reader. Simply tap on it, double tap, click on the switcher, double tap, click on OK, and double tap. And as you can hear, the screen reader is off. So that's all. This is how to enable the screen reader in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.